How to get a refund on Spotify Premium. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is ensure that you are within the 14 days window from your purchase date and haven't actually used the premium service extensively, which is applicable under the regional refund terms. Then if you are sure about this, then what you can do is go back, open any browser. Let's just go in with our Google. Then from here, what are we going to do is search for Spotify customer service. You'll be able to see the contact us link of Spotify. Tap on it. Then from there, if you simply tap on login right here, now you'll be able to log into your account, right? What you're going to do is simply log into your account. Then you can select subscription and payment from your account. Then from there, you can tap on refund request. After doing that, you can start a text chat session with the automated support bot and type speak to an agent in order to get connected to a live human instead of a bot. And then from that, you can now start explaining your situation clearly. For example, it could be an accidental renewal or forgot to cancel trial, and then the support agent will actually review your billing history to issue a refund back to your bank account. And that is exactly how you'll be able to get a refund on Spotify Premium.